Mama Weesie channel, my Weez Nation. So today, I don't know what I'm going to do because guess what? Can you guess what's going on in my state? So I'm going to show y'all what's going on. See, it's snowing again. So is this going on in y'all state? Wherever y'all at? The snow? Is this going on? And with that, I was going to go to work, but I have a change of plan. So I guess I stay home and have family time. I haven't have an idea yet of what I'm going to do because I had my mindset on something else to do today. But so now it's been a change in my plans. So I'm going to do something with the family or with my daughter or somebody I'm going to do something. So I want y'all to come on along with me as we spend today together. Hello, my Weez Nation. I'm back. And as you can see, it's a different scene. So, I'm out here in the snow. I'm on my way to carry my son to work in the snow. And after that, after dropping him off, I'm going to do a little shopping with my daughter. And then after that, then I see exactly what I'm going to do for the video that I'm going to give you, okay? There go the snow on the ground coming down. It's coming down heavy too. But I don't know if it's going to stick to the ground because the ground is wet. But as you can see, it's sticking to the grass. The snow is really coming down, as you can see on my side of my window.
Why you gonna move it?
Hey, Tania. Say hi to Weez Nation. Say hi to Weez Nation, Tania. Okay. Oh, man. We came out to the Dollar Tree so she can get her friend a birthday card to add with her gifts that she's gonna get her. Okay, how you coming along? You see anything that you like yet to give for your friend? You still looking? Okay. Oh. She picked out one card and reading it, but I don't know if this is gonna be the choice. So I think she didn't choose a winner. So she has two cards in her hand. I don't know which one she's gonna pick. She like both of them, so we're gonna see which one she's getting.
Now I got my friend her card. Now we're on to the next store.
I'm in Walmart shopping with my daughter because she's picking up some birthday items for her.
My friend, which is her birthday is tomorrow. So yeah. So I'll think about getting that.
Okay.
Right there.
So this is more journey on my snowy day out here with my daughter, picking up my baby girl, picking up some birthday items for her friend. So Tania done finished shopping for her friend's birthday.
Yup. So everything is good to go. It's completed. So yeah, I'm good. We're good.
And here's her items. She got all this for her friend for her birthday. Did she do well? Did she do well, y'all? Weezy Nation? So my Weezy Nation, we're going to close this video out with saying peace, love, and happiness. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe. Push that notification bell. And Tania is showing y'all how to treat a friend. Peace out. Oh, we forgot something to say. We want to say happy birthday, Michaela.